All right, welcome back. On this lesson, I want to show you how to install WordPress on your dashboard, on your cPanel dashboard. So for me to do this, I'm going to take some few steps. I can either do that from this area here, click on WordPress Manager by Software Colors, or I go to Script. I scroll down and go to Script. So under softwares and script, so I can do that under software. I can as well do that under scripts. So whichever one you choose is the same thing. So let me just choose this. So it will bring you down to this window. Once it brings you down to this window, I'm going to click on install. So if you click on install, so you see a number of steps you have to take. So you choose the appropriate protocol that you want your site to use. So if you want the www protocol or the HTTPS plus www, or you just, so I'm going to leave it at default, and then I'm going to choose a particular site that I want to install my WordPress. So when you get to this in the root directory, I don't want WordPress folder to be created, because I wouldn't want another extension after my domain name. I see the WP after my extension. This is what I really don't want. So this is what I mean by that. So you see, did you see this? I don't want this to happen. I just want when somebody clicks on it, I only see this. I don't want that WP to show. So what I'm going to do is to erase this WP. So here I'll leave it at the latest version of WordPress, and here I'll choose the username, a password. I'm going to choose my password. Whatever password you are choosing, ensure that it is strong enough. So I'm going to copy this and hide it, keep it in a safe place. Automatically, WordPress will assume that you have created what we call a webmail for admin. So it will automatically, but if you don't want to use this, if you have not created one, you can change it later. You can decide to use an email that you can log into. So for this, I'm going to leave it because I'll create a webmail later. Then the site name, the site name, the site name. All right, so I will do this, and I'm going to choose a site name. Let's say practice, the description, web development. So I can leave this as it is and change it later. So I'm going to come down. You choose an email that the installation file will be sent to. An email that the installation file will be sent to. All right, so I'm going to submit this file. I'm going to install now. I'm going to install WordPress now. So I'm going to install WordPress. As you can see, WordPress has installed successfully. WordPress has installed successfully. So two links were given. One is linked to the admin, and the other one, when I click on it, this is my WordPress site called Practice. So I can easily log into the admin by just adding WP the dash admin, and then I enter it. So once I enter it, it will open the WordPress dashboard. So let's enter the username, and I'm going to paste the password over here, and then I'll log in. Sorry. So I'm going to log in. Okay. So I have successfully installed WordPress on my cPanel account. This is my WordPress with the latest version 6.2. This is the how to install WordPress on our dashboard, on cPanel dashboard.